No, I'm videotaping. Sing your ABCs.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
What country do we live in?
United States of America.
And what state do you live in?
I don't remember.
Florida.
Florida.
And who's our president?
Obama.
All right. How old are you, Olivia?
3.5.
How old are you, Rue?
Pink.
No, how old are you?
Pink.
You're 2.
Pink.
Okay, bye.